Guys, on CoinMarketCap's news today, we have CMC Daily, November 16th. BTC falls 10% on terribly Tuesday. So, article was done by Connor Sefton. We're going to be reviewing this article. So, guys, if this is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, Akahilz, feel free to like, share, subscribe. I will do drop crypto news review from CMC as well as other packs, so you stay updated and informed about crypto happenings. Also, we also drop updates on current ongoing airdrops and airdrops you can participate in. So, guys, you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more updates, guys. So, table of contents should be covering biggest, best crypto news ever. Bitcoin plunges 10% on terribly Tuesday. Uh, Bidding science infrastructure bill. Vanek to launch BTC ETF today. Paradigm raises $2.5 billion for a new fund. A miner raises $650 million to buy Bitcoin. Akahilz Digital's net income rises 1,100%. So, guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, as well as Google Podcasts. So, you want to check this out. So, Bitcoin plunges 10% on terrible Tuesday. So, Bitcoin has plunged by more than 10% over the past 24 hours, taking the world's biggest cryptocurrency below $60,000. So, the bearish pullback casts doubts over whether BTC has what it takes to hit $98,000 by November. So, guys, you want to let us know what you feel about this whole concept. Says here for now, traders will be waiting nervous to see whether BTC can reclaim all-time highs. So Biden signs infrastructure bill. So Joe Biden has signed the $1 trillion infrastructure bill into law, bringing with it new reporting requirements for cryptocurrency transactions. Securities say that these measures are unworkable and could hamstring everything from mining to decentralized exchanges. Now, the brutal price war in the Bitcoin ETF market could be about to commence. The Vanek Bitcoin Strategy ETF is going to launch today. It will offer a 65 basis point fee, nearly one third below what the two existing exchange traded funds charge. Then Paradigm raises $2.5 billion for new fund, so venture capital firm Paradigm for a new cryptocurrency industry investment fund. So, guys, these are the news updates live on CoinMarketCap. Guys, live on CoinMarketCap. I've dropped the link in the description box so you can get direct access to these articles. I also will be dropping individual analysis on these articles so you get the full gist, guys. So, guys, stay tuned to our YouTube channel if you find updates beneficial, helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, to your keys, and see you in our future uploads.